Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2025 as well as 2026 pass out batch. So coming to first important opportunity, that is very important opportunity from a good company, Natomi. They are hiring intern software development Java. So if you have knowledge of Java and if you are interested for this, then I will suggest everyone should apply. So job description, we are looking for software development intern to help with us with coding, fixing, executing and version executing code for application. Remember, there is a strong chance of conversion into PPO. So just give your best in this internship, then you will be selected for further. So job responsibility, you will assist in planning, design and execute SOA backend platform, and you will basically work on Java, Spark, Spring, ORM, and these are the tech stack. Okay, talking about the requirements, so experience on some scripting language for automated building deployment, preferably Java. If you have some experience, then you are eligible for this. And pursuing BE BTech in computer science from tier 1 tier 2 institute, 25-26 pass out only. Okay, so this is the hiring. Coming to next important hiring, from the Amity software system, they are hiring software trainee, and job location is Noida sector 63. Time and venue for the test is 21st Feb 10 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. So if you are residing in near the Noida and all things, then I will suggest apply to this. Okay, and number of openings is 4. So this is the job description. So you will basically join as software trainee freshers and 6 day a week work timing, and these are the tech stack you will be working on. Okay, so SDLC, full development of software product, understanding technical design, create PSD and all things. So eligibility criteria, schooling from public school background and BTech in computer science only students are eligible. And this is the salary package, 6 LPA, and you will work on real world project. So if you are interested, you can basically apply. This is a backend developer role. Coming to next important opportunity, that is Bigcom, and they are hiring web developer freshers. So this is also freshers hiring, and what they are looking for, you will be basically responsible for developing, designing, building or maintaining responsive things. And you can go through complete job and description. I will provide all the apply link in the description from where you can get directly access to it. So work location is Bangalore city and remote. This is a remote job. Okay, so working day 6 day a week. So if you are interested, you can apply. Okay, this is also a good hiring, so I will suggest everyone you should apply. Okay, this is a freshers hiring. And friends, if you have been selected for any means interview for Cognizant, TCS, Wipro or any MNCs or any other company, then I will suggest you can fill our mock interview form, where I am providing you dedicated support for the interview, and this will basically boost your confidence in real interview. So if you are interested, you can fill our form. Coming to next important opportunity from iValua, they are hiring the run intern. Okay, and this is the intern position, and this is also a good company, and this is a MNC. Okay, this company work on lots of important uh, basically countries such as France and others. So if you are interested, you can apply for this role. So if you have some knowledge of CHAS, .NET and SQL, then you are good to go for applying. Okay, and maximum 1 year of experience in software development, primarily in CHAS, means this role is basically dedicated for the freshers. So 2025 2026 batch can apply, and especially 2025 batch जो है must apply if you have knowledge in C has .NET and SQL Server. These are the things. Okay, you will be required excellent written and verbal communication skill. Next important hiring from the Tech Mahindra, they are hiring service desk. Okay, and job location is Pune, rotational shift. And if you are freshers and experienced, then both are eligible, so you can apply. Okay, I will suggest for 2026, no need to apply now. Okay, and if you want, you can apply if you are interested for this role, but there are lots of important hiring gonna happen this year. I have already provided update related to Cognizant and TCS NQT 2026. So these all announcement will be happen soon. For that, you can subscribe us, because I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. Okay, currently Deloitte NLA hiring is going on, and further भाई बहुत सारा important hiring आने वाला है. So keep an eye on your uh, on our YouTube channel, and basically start preparing. Preparation बहुत important है, and for that you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram study group, where I am sharing free preparation material. So if you want, you can join. Next important and last hiring, they are hiring the HR intern, and this is a full-time opportunity from the company TBM Infotech Private Limited. So if you have done MBA PGDM, then you are eligible for this, and if you have some HR experience, then also you can apply for this. So you can send your resume directly to this one, or you can apply through apply link. So last important hiring for the experienced candidate. If you have 6 month to 1 year experience, then you can apply from means for the TVM, and they are hiring for multiple basically things, means multiple tech domain: full stack developer, .NET developer with Azure and Pega, Java backend developer, Java AWS developer, Kafka, Java full stack developer, and other HR openings are there. So if you are interested, this is a multiple hiring. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query हो, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and you can share this video among your friends. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.